So my name is Gustav. I live in Höör. I have studied a bachelor in physics at Linköping University over 10 years ago. So I'm back into the game now when I'm studying the master program here at Malmö. A friend of mine actually told me about this program, and because I've never heard of it, I didn't know that Malmö had this master's program. And I looked it up and thought that the combination of programming in combination then with math and physics sounded very fun, and that I wanted to try that path.
I chose this program because of my background. So I have a background in metallurgical and materials engineering and over 7 years of experience in IT and data science. So I wanted a program that merged these fields in applying computational techniques for optimizing material processes. So I did my research and found this program, so I applied. I think the program is very well taught. We're first introduced to foundational courses to understand the basics of material science and then scientific programming in Python, and then it advances into modeling at different scales from the atomic to the macro scale. And I think these courses are well suited to help you solve real-world problems and prepare you to succeed in the industry.
Yeah, my name is Felix. I'm from Germany. I did my bachelor's in Erlangen at the Friedrichs-Alexander-Universität and did material science and engineering there. In computational materials science, the biggest topics are understanding more about the basics of material science, and by using the basics of material, or by better understanding the materials science aspects, to then form computer programs or simulations that can kind of predict what might happen if we change different parameters. First part of the first semester is spent learning the very basics of Python, and then all of the rest of the program builds up on that knowledge that you acquire initially about Python.
My advice for anyone who has interest in this course is to first consider their interest. They should check if they enjoy problem solving, programming, or materials science in general. If they do, then this is a great fit for them. They should also look into the course curriculum, explore basic coding and materials modeling concepts, and see if that excites them. And if that does, then this is the right place for them.
One thing I liked about the program is that the courses we take are predetermined. So someone here at Malmö University or a bunch of people decided that these courses are the best for someone to be useful both as a PhD student perhaps and in the industry.
This program here sounds like the perfect fit for what the market will be looking for in the very close future, and is starting to look for also now. Another thing about the program that I really like is due to the close proximity to Max 4 in Lund, we have a dedicated course about neutron and synchrotron methods, and really get to dive deep into X-ray and neutron theory, and also see how that is actually done at Max 4 in a visit that we did. The program is definitely challenging, but in a good way, where you constantly have to acquire new knowledge and understand new topics of math or physics, and of also computational science, to combine all of these to do computational material science.
To apply to this program, you need an interest in math, physics, and/or chemistry, along with programming, because that is the main tool we use to solve problems.
So living and studying in Malmö is really nice. The biggest difference to German universities, I would say, or at least the university I was at, is the amount of space for students to actually study and sit and learn together. Another point about living in Malmö is the close proximity to the sea, so you can go cold bathing in the winter, you can be playing on the beach in the summer, spend your leisure time there, and have a good mix between studying and fun.